Hi guys, it's Keisha here once more. Welcome to my channel. I have cooked curry king prawns, and for you to achieve this look, please keep watching. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here we have our seasons, and over here we have our king prawn already washed with lemon. So now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of fish season, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and 1 teaspoon of basil. So now we're gonna stir all this season um to marinate in our king prawns. Remember guys, the prawns are already tender, so we don't need as much hard work. So we just need the season to even out and marinate in the prawns as best as possible. So look at it now. This is what you're aiming for. So now we are preparing our pan to get the cooking going. So here we have the oil already in the pan. So guys, yes, so you can use the your oil if you want to use less or you want to use more, depends. So you choose your moderate amount what you want to use, okay? But always remember you need oil for the curry um to burn out, or the curry to dissolve in the hot oil, or because you don't need raw curry. And the prawns here is delicate, so you cannot cook it too long because you need a curry to cook. It's just going to be like a rubber. So here we had the pimento in the oil. We had 1 tablespoon of curry. So this is the way you're gonna have to do it with the curry, guys. You have to add the curry first because you don't want to get healed, because you want to make sure your curry cooked out properly. So add it in the oil, and yes, you can add it in less oil or you can add it in more oil. It's just your choice, okay? Fantastic. So stir and have the curry to dissolve. With me here, I don't have it on high heat, but I try to stir as much as possible because the curry is the fine dusted grain curry. This curry is Jamaican curry, so it's not these big grain ones. It's a powdery curry, so it don't have that much hard work. So as you see, I already had 6 garlic mashed up in the pan, and I had 1 scotch bonnet pepper in the pan also. So I'm stir to have the garlic well, dissolve in the oil. Here I am adding half of a, those large onions. I have half of it. So here it's added in the pan also. Yes, guys. And here is thyme. So we got some lovely thyme here. Now we have three stalk of scallion, which I chopped up. Yes, so there I had it in the pan also. And everything stir in the curry, and spread all over the seasons. and the garlic dissolve in the oil, and the pimento oozing out its own flavor. So it's compact flavor, guys. Flavor, flavor, flavor. Yes. This is wonderful. So now we're having our king prawns. So the prawns is raw prawns. So you don't want to add half cooked prawn. You need raw prawn. So now we're adding all this in the pan, and we're gonna stir again, guys. So we're gonna stir to all the season, the herbs, the garlic, spread all over and everything. Marinate. So when you're eating it, when you finish and you're having your meal, you can feel comfortable and enjoy your meal because it's all packed with flavor and done properly. So guys, thyme is love, cooking is love. So here we go. So stir it properly. So have everything done in the best way possible. And again, we have our stove still on low heat. So at this point, the heat is on 5. So it's not on 9, 7, nothing like that. It's just on 5. Slow heat, guys. The swings don't need as much work, and the season don't need as much work. So low heat is the best way at this moment. So now we're going to cover this pan and have it steam a bit and slow cook. So lift and have a look. Marvelous. So there it is. This is what I'm talking about. So it oozes one water, and I don't have any water in it as yet. So definitely. So the season now marinate and melt and soak in the king prawns and this everything locked. So now I'm gonna add the green sweet pepper. So I have half of the sweet pepper cut up. Now I have one whole carrot chopped up right here. So definitely, so everything gonna mix in the pan. Okay. Very slowly and carefully, because we don't need any splashes and any burn. So yes, just take our time and have everything well mixed. So now we're gonna add half cup of water. We're not gonna add all of the water. So we're gonna add half cup because the prawns already oozes one water in the pan, so we don't need as much. So we just need a little top up at the moment. So you can add the water in the same bowl as what you see me do here, and get out the rest of the season from all of it. So that is marvelous here. So I turn the stove up a bit to 6 because yes, the water is in and I don't want my food to be junked, so I turn it up to 6. So it's not much, but still on low heat. Looking good, guys. It smells great. My kitchen just smells good. Looking marvelous, guys. Looking good, looking good. Yes. So also you can add your own season, what you prefer, and your own spice, what you prefer. If you don't Like my spice, you can always add your spice, but just always remember, you know, to make sure your curry dissolve properly in your pan, and use powder curry so it can always dissolve quickly than the bigger green curries. Yes, so now you see the water already built up in the pan, so we didn't need the 1 cup, and that's the reason why I choose to add half cup instead. Looking good, guys, and it smells great. It's you in my kitchen, you would come and say, Keisha, what's cooking, girl? Yeah, here's my curry king prawn, my tasty curry king prawn here. Yes, guys. So this is what we're aiming for. No mistake here. Looking good, looking good. Yes, guys. Perfect. So you see, now it's starting to look, so we're getting there. So at the moment, we're gonna prepare ourselves to dish out our delicious curry king prawns. So you can choose to serve or have this curry king prawns with rice, with food. You can even have it with vegetable. It's to your taste, to your likings. So yes, guys, you can have it with anything what you prefer to have it with, you know. So now I have my dish here ready to dish out a marvelous meal. Over here I have cooked some white rice cooked down with pumpkin and kidney peas, or chickpeas, sorry, chickpeas. But you did not see me prepare this meal. So yes, if you want to see this meal at any time for me to prepare it, comment below as well, guys. So here I'm serving again white rice cooked on with pumpkin and chickpeas, looking good. Yes, guys, this is looking marvelous and it smells good. So over here I've recognized that my camera is not focused on my veg, so excuse me for that one. So here I've steamed some cabbage with carrots. So I did not cook it down in the pot, I steam it. I try to secure or save myself as much mineral in my veg as I can. So yes, guys, I steamed it. So now over here I'm gonna serve out some delicious king prawns. Yes, some tasty curry king prawns serving here. Guys, you should in this kitchen. It smells good. As you can see, it's look good, smell good, and I can assure you it will taste good. So there it is. Looking wonderful, guys. Let's get this pot out of the way so you can see this delicious meal what I serve for you. So our serving is curry king prawns with steamed vegetable and carrot, cooked down with white rice and pumpkin and chickpeas. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Marvelous, guys. This is marvelous. Yes, guys, definitely. So we're gonna have a taste. Here it is. This is from me to you. Okay, guys, looking fabulous, taste, great. Love, love, love. Okay, guys, if you want to see more of this video, please share and subscribe. Also, if you have any message, please don't hesitate to send me. I will try to reply to each one of them. Thank you, guys. God bless. Bye.